What's up, guys? I'm going to show you a hack that I learned from Mr. Paint Squirter. He used it with a different application. It was between a box and a cab. But take this is cauldron, seal it up, fold it in, and then you can work it up inside the towel because this is a dirty place. There's nothing you can really do with this place. Like, get it on in there. Okay. Get in there as far as you can. It seems like I'm down to these here. Oh, good. Slightly. Slightly fill it up so you won't wreck the paper. And seal it up. Okay. Check this out. It'll stop some dirt from going in there. That's the nastiest spot when you look on these old cars and trucks when they've been painted. There's so much paint built up on them. Alrighty, rock out. Just make yourself a little paper bag and inflate it with air. And that keeps the cowl from getting full of debris and overspray and making it look gross in there because you can't do nothing with it.